Ever lost a sale because customers didn't know the delivery time? Well, adding a estimated delivery date to your product pages can boost some trust and credibility. So, to do this process, first of all, what I need to do is to understand why add an estimated delivery date. So, the transparent shipping times help customers feel confident in the purchase. So, before we jumped in, let's understand a little bit more about it. For example, boosting the sales. So because many buyers have been caught if the delivery dates aren't clear, it's actually truth. So if I have an actual product, I might want to be as much descriptive as I can possibly can and to tell them that we can reduce the questions as much as we can. Telling about everything about the product, the color, the name, the size, the quantity, the estimated delivery date, the product content, the materials, and a little bit more about the description. Really important to tell your customers what it is all about. Now, to do this process, let's go into Shopify. Inside Shopify, I'm going to locate my home or my dashboard. Directly inside here, let's locate the left section that says online stores. Now here, I'm going to choose this option that says online store and choose the section that says themes. If I look out here for the active theme, you can look out for the option that says 3 dots and edit the code. Now here we can look out for finding the product.liquid into this left section. If I clicked here, I can look out for product, and here is main product.liquid. So I'm going to click on it, and here we can copy and paste a code snippet where you want an estimated delivery date to appear. You have the link down below, so you can copy and paste it for your store. It's going to be looking like this. The P, estimate delivery, now, date, these values, plus days 5P. So replace just the 5 with the numbers of days it takes to ship your product. We can save the changes later. So for example, here is the estimate delivery plus days. I'm going to change this for 5 into 14, for example. So I copy it. I go back into my website, coding elements, which in this case is going to be looking like this. Go all my way down, and here I'm going to paste my code and hit now into save. Other solution that you can do, if you hit into your store, look out for the catalog, look out for the product. Here it should be appearing to the estimate date, which in this case here is the estimate delivery, November 15 and the 2024. Now if this one is looking, let's say, really weird, what I can suggest you to do is to delete the code and add it into a code snippet. So let's go directly once again back into the online store, themes. But instead of going here into edit code, let's go directly into customized. Inside customize, let's look out for the home page into the upper side. Change this for products and the default product. This one is assigned for all my products, so that means that everything that I do into this template should be applied into the rest of my products. So I can look out for the product information and adding a block. And adding a block, I'm going to add the custom liquid. This custom liquid, that means the estimated delivery date, should be appearing to, let's say, below the buy it now. So here I have the buy buttons. I'm going to put this here where it says buy buttons, and there we go. Now the custom liquid should have this liquid code, and I wanted to change this 14. Let's change this for, I don't know, maybe 18 dates. So check out how the estimated delivery date should be changed. So go back, save, and go back here and make sure that this one has now been applied to all of your products. So let's reload the page and let's see how the estimated delivery date now appears here. If you changed the date, is going to change it now here. For example, the custom liquid says 18 days. We are into 25th of November. So let's change this for the date where it says now. So now that I have pasted my delivery date, which in this case, this is plus, because now this has now been changed for seconds, this should be delivered, for example, in December 9, and we are into the 25th of November. So that means that it totally worked. So if I hit now into save, I go back here into this product. reload it, and check out that the estimated delivery date has now been changed with a different product. So that means that this one actually worked really well for me. So there you have it, guys. Installing the application of your choice is going to be totally optional, but to make your estimated delivery data blend with your store designs, you must add the values depending on what you're actually trying to aim for with the shipping cost and the shipping estimated delivery date. So consider adding a note below the delivery date, like delivery times may vary based on location. You can add this keeps expectations realistic and builds trust with your customers. So make sure that you have been as descriptive as possible to let your customers know what to expect when they make the purchase. So don't fraud them, and of course give them the best. So that's it. Now they have a fully functional estimated delivery date on the Shopify product page. Whether you have used a code or an application, this small change can make a big difference for your customers. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time.